Good evening, everyone. Am I audible? Is the screen visible? Do let me know in the chat box. Please settle down yourself, everyone. Settle down yourself. Turn on your videos. Use Bluetooth, headphone, earphones, whatever device you have at your home. Quickly, dear. We shall just wait for 2 minutes so that some more students can join us. We shall just wait for 2 more minutes so that some more students can join us. Till then, where is the stylus, dear? Ma'am, you said new chapter. Yes, beta, I said new chapter and I shall keep my promise. I said new chapter, that means I will keep my promise. And today we shall start a new topic that is average. Okay, because we already finished in the last class, simple interest. Today we will start average. Okay, and what does average means? What do you mean by average and how shall you calculate the average? So let me tell you one thing that the topic average is very important for you because every year you can see minimum 2 to 3 questions related word problems I say related with the chapter average. Okay, so we shall continue the chapter today, that is average. And for this average, many of you know this average as mean also. Mean, MEAN, mean. Another name for this term average. Okay, another term for the average is mean also. And today we are going to learn that how shall we calculate it? How shall we calculate it? So first I will start with the universal formula. Universal formula means what? Universal formula means that this particular formula is applicable for any kind of question. For any kind of question. Okay. And what's that formula? Average is equal to sum of observations upon me total number of observations. Okay. This is the universal formula. Whatever kind of question is being asked to you related with average, this formula will go with each and every question. I will teach you tricks also. We have many tricks in this average. We will be learning tricks also. But this is the basic formula that shall go in any kind of question of average. That is sum of observation by total number of observation. Now, what does this observation means? I shall explain you that also. Uh, Anurag, beta, if your screen is black here, do exit and rejoin, beta. Okay? Yes, Sarvika, what happened? 5877. Sarvika, your mic is off, dear. You're not audible to me. Yes, Kartike.
Ma'am, ma'am, are we starting this chapter today?
Yes, beta. Yes, Ashri. What happened?
एवरेज
What?
मतलब एटीट्यूड है क्या मैम?
Average means attitude?
यस मैम.
No, average does not mean attitude. So, average is what? Average means mean. In Hindi, we can say that, like they say, na, अरे average performance है. Average का मतलब क्या? Average means middle part. Average means middle part. On an average, I have learned all the things, but I got average marks. So average marks means what? Average marks means the middle part. That sum total nikal ke what is the midpoint? What is the midpoint? That's average. First, quickly take the screenshot of this formula, beta. I'll just wait for 10 seconds. I'll just wait for 10 seconds, dear. Okay. So suppose let us understand the concept of average by first question. And this is not English class, okay? Who is it? Sonakshi Reddy. Average means not bad. See, suppose you are asked to find average of any number like 2, 8, 11, 13, okay, anything. If you are asked to find average of this, how shall you find? How shall you find? So, the universal formula says what? The universal formula of average says sum of observations upon me total number of observation. Everyone will pay attention. It's so easy that if you pay attention in the first class itself, half of the average concept will hit your mind. Half of the chapter. So please focus to it. Okay. Very easy chapter. So sum means what? Sum means to add, right? Sum means to add. What are the observation? Observation are 2, 8, 11 and 13. So sum of observation means you will add all of them. So 2 plus 8 plus 11 plus 13. Upon me total number of observation, that how many observations are there? I have 1, 2, 3, 4 observations. Let me explain this once more. If you have to find the average, formula I know, sum of observations by total number of observations. Sum of observation, whatever question is being given to you, you have to add all of them because sum means to add. So I will add 2 plus 8 plus 11 plus 13. And in the denominator, I shall write how many number of observations are there. So I have 1, 2, 3 and 4 observations. So upon me, I will write 4. Now I will solve it simply. 2 plus 8 is 10. 10 plus 11 is how much? 10 plus 11 is 21. And 21 plus 13. 21 plus 13 is how much? 34. Upon me, 4. Simply divide this 34 upon may 4. Only for this question I am explaining with using this very traditional way, basic way, because this is the first question. Rest you will divide yourself. 34. So 8 times may 32. I'm left with what? I'm left with 2. I'm left with 2. I will put a point here. As soon as I put a point, free ka 10 added. I have taught you this. Now 4 fives are 20. My answer is 8.5. Average. 8.5 is the average, right? What happened, Shanmukha? Yes, Shanmukha? You're not audible to me. Please ask in the doubt chat box, Peter. Yes, Gahan, 5819.
Ma'am, in the average, we have only one formula, ma'am.
No, Gahan. Yes, Harshal.
Ma'am, you once again repeat how that 5 came.
How that 5 came? Because 20 is divided by 4, so 5. Yes, Sanskriti.
4 came. How did 4 came?
I have 4 digits in the question. 2, 8, 11, 13. 4 digits. That's why 4. Yes, Devansh.
Can you explain again?
Okay. Yes, Riddhiman. Yes, Riddhiman.
Can you please repeat it again?
Okay. And yes, Akshay Dharmik.
Ma'am, can you explain again, ma'am?
Okay, I'm explaining this again, everyone. Those who have doubt on this, please lower down your hand. I'm explaining this again. Okay. See, you have to find the average, right? You have to find the average of what? 2, 8, 11, and 13. So whenever you are asked to find the average, there is a universal formula. What is that? Average is equal to sum of observation upon me total number of observation. Sum means to add. That means whatever digits has been given to you, you will add all of them. So 2 plus 8 plus 11 plus 13. And upon me, number of observation. So how many observations are there? So 1, 2, 3 and 4. So upon me 4. Now I will solve it. So 2 plus 8, 10. 10 plus 11 is how much? 10 plus 11 is 21. 21 plus 13 is 34. So 34 upon me 4. When you divide 34 upon me 4, you will get 8.5. For you, I have also shown the division. Every question I will not show you all that kind of divisions. For this particular question, first question, I have shown you the division as well. 34 divided by 4. So 8 times may 32. 2 is the remainder. I will put a point here. As soon as I put a point here, I can put one free ka 0. So I have 20. 20 divided by 4 becomes 5. 20 divided by 4 is 5. Advik, why will it be 8.4? It's 20, Advik, and 20 divided by 4 is equal to 5, Advik. That's why 8.5. Okay? Why will it be 8.4? I have 20. So 20 divided by 4 is 5, beta. Okay, one more question. And those who are joining late, they will now raise their hand that, ma'am, how did we do it? I have one question for you. Okay, simple one. Find the average of 7, 3, 4, 8, 12, 1, 16, and 5. Very easy, beta, very easy. And here you go. Sashmi, what are you writing in the chat box? Do you even see what you are writing? Do you even care before writing anything? Or you write just for fun, Sashri? Dinesh, Harshit, and Hazik. Very good, beta. First three to answer me. 21 of you have answered me correctly. Very good, beta. Ma'am, for fun. So, are you here for fun, Sahashri? And then you will raise your hand that, ma'am, I did not get it, ma'am. This chat box is not for your fun, Sahashri. You have to calculate what? Average, right? So average means what? Sum of observations. So I will add all the observations. Right? Sum of observations. I will add all the observations. And then how many observations are there? I will see. So how many observations there are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Upon me, 8. Now I will simply add all the numbers. So 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 plus 4 is 14. 14 plus 8 is 22. 22 plus 12. How much? 22 plus 10 is 32. 32 plus 2, 34. Plus 1, 35. Plus how many? 16. 35 plus 10, 45. 45 plus 11. How much? 45, 55, 56. Total is 56, right? Upon me, 8. 56 upon me, 8. Now, just simplify it. 8 1 is 8 and 8 7s are 56. 7 will be your answer. Very easy. Nothing, just whatever digits has been given to you to find the average, just write all the digits, add all of them, and then just divide it by 7. Divide it by 7. Got it, everyone? Okay. Okay. Now we shall learn some of the tricks, beta. Okay. Now we will learn some of the tricks. For example, suppose you are asked what is the average of first 4 odd numbers. What is the average of first 4 odd numbers? Now, odd numbers, we all know that what is odd numbers? Odd numbers is what? The number which is not divisible by 2. So basically, if I go through that universal formula, first 4 odd numbers will be what? 1, 3, 5, and 7. If I talk about first 4 odd numbers, so odd numbers will be what? 1, 3, 5 plus 7. And then according to the formula of average, what should I have done? I should have added them. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 upon me 4. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. And 9 plus 7 is 16. So I will get 16 by 4. 4 will be my what? Answer. 4 will be my answer. Easy. If first 4 odd numbers is asking to you, so first 4, everyone who has raised their hand, I'm explaining these questions again. Please do pay attention, okay? Average of first 4 odd numbers is being asked, right? So first 4 odd numbers is what? 1, 3, 5 and 7. First 4 odd numbers. And according to the average, my formula is sum of all the observations. So observation is 1, 3, 5 and 7. I will add 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. Upon me what? Upon me number of observations. Number of observation is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digit. So I will write 4. Total is 16 upon me 4. 16 divided 4. 4 is my answer. Process. But if you have to use your brain and the short trick, 1 second you can give the answer. You know how? Because average of first n odd numbers. Please pay attention. What does this mean? This means, beta, that whenever you are asked to calculate average of first n odd numbers, n means what? N means any digit, like first 4 odd numbers, first 5 odd numbers, first 16 odd numbers. So whenever average of first n odd numbers is being asked to you, whatever is the value for n, that will be your answer. For example, here, what is the average of first 4 odd numbers was being asked to you? 4 odd numbers. So your answer without any calculation will be 4. You can see, if you are being asked what is the average of first 16 odd numbers, so you don't have to calculate like 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9. No. First 16 odd numbers is being asked to you. Your answer would be 16. That's it. Nothing else. Hope you got this, everyone. That whenever you're asked first 4 odd numbers, first dash odd numbers. Dash odd number means any odd numbers, any number of odd numbers. So whatever is asked to you in the question, that shall be your answer. But this formula is only for the odd numbers. Remember it. It is only for the odd numbers. Okay? And within seconds, you can calculate your answer. Yes, Dhriti?
मैम आपने जो बताया एवरेज ऑफ फर्स्ट एंड ऑड नंबर्स मैम इस एन की जगह कोई और भी नंबर आ सकता है
हाँ. Yes, Rachna? Rachna? By that time, you all can note this down or take the screenshot. Rachna, you're not audible, beta. Please ask in the chat box, dear. Yes, Devansh.
मैम अगर कोई भी ऑड नंबर आता है जैसे कि 33, तो उसका एवरेज 33 होगा.
Yes, whenever first n odd numbers is being asked to you, n odd numbers मतलब बोलते हैं ना कि पहले 4 odd number का बताओ एवरेज क्या है, पहले 6 odd numbers का बताओ क्या है. तो whenever first n odd numbers are being asked to you, so whatever is the value for n, that will be your answer. Okay? Yes, Gangi Reddy Narayan. Better turn on your mic.
Ma'am, then for the even numbers, there is another separate formula.
Yes. For even number, there is then another formula. For example, suppose. But before that, I shall give you one question in the poll, and then I will tell you what is the formula for even number. What is the average of first 11 odd numbers? Tell me quickly. What is the average of first 11 odd number? Quickly, beta. Gayatri, Dinesh, Sudeep Sai, very good beta. First three to answer me. Very good, dear. Almost 53 of you have given me correct answer. And if even in this question you are doing wrong, anyone, even in this question you are doing wrong, then you really need to check where do you exist, beta. The answer is 11 because first 11 odd numbers was being asked to you without any calculation. Why to go for the calculation? I'm not going to calculate if I know the short trick. So if the average of first dash odd number is being asked to you, always go for whatever digit is written in the question. 11 odd number, 11 is the answer. But this formula is only for first dash odd numbers. Always do remember first dash odd numbers. Okay. And then I have one more formula for you. As you asked me, that is for even numbers. But before that, I would like you to solve it. What is the average of first four even number? Here you go. First solve yourself once, try yourself, and then I shall tell you about the short trick, okay? First try yourself. Subha, Dinesh, Shansriti. Very good, beta. First three to answer me. Very good, dear. 37 of you have given me the correct answer. But when you will know the trick, all of you will give me the correct answer. First, I will tell the basic way. Let us see what's the answer if I use the basic way. So basic way I know. In order to find the average, what we did? Add first four even numbers. What are first four even numbers? So 2, 4, 8, 6 and 8. 6 and 8. First four even numbers. So I will add 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 upon me. How much? Upon me 4 because 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits are there. Now I will add and solve, find the average. Like n 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 6 is 12 and 12 plus 8 is how much? 20 upon me 8. I got 5 as my answer. 5 as my answer, option C. So if you go for the traditional way, the universal formula, you can calculate. But if you know the short trick, you will calculate it within 1 second. How? So the short trick is average of n even numbers, first n even numbers is equal to n plus 1. N plus 1. That means what? That means if average of first 4 even number is being asked to you, first 4 even numbers. So even number, if 4 is being asked to you, that means your answer would be n plus 1. That is 4 plus 1, 5. Whenever first dash even numbers is being asked to you, beta, first dash even numbers. So what you will do? You will see how many is given. So it's 4. You will add 1 into it. So 4 plus 1 is 5. 4 plus 1 is 5. My bad, beta. This is 4. 20 divided 4. 4 ones are 4 and 4 fives are 20. Okay? Really sorry. So this is how quickly you can calculate your average. This is how quickly you can calculate your average. It's not 8, it's 4, beta. Yes, Jeevan? Yes,
Ma'am,
Jeevan, tell me your name.
for odd, number for two, ma'am, what is the average of 200? First 200 odd number.
200. 200, Jeevan.
Ma'am, yes.
Yes, Rutvik. Yes,
I
Rutvik.
can. Ma'am,
Yes.
screen is black, ma'am. I cannot see you, ma'am.
For whom the screen is black, please exit and rejoin there. Check your internet connection. Yes, Litika. Litika Shri, quickly.
Not zero, ma'am. Zero is also odd number. Even number, no, ma'am.
No, beta, 0 is not considered the even number, beta. It is not even neither odd. Okay. Yes, Gayatri.
4 plus 1, 5. Could you explain the next step again, please?
I couldn't get your doubt, Gayatri. 4 plus 1, 5. So here the step ends. 5 is my answer.
Then what is 20 divided by 4?
This is the beta traditional way. Okay, traditional way. Did
Okay,
you
ma'am.
join the class late, beta, Gayatri? No, you were there in the
Uh,
class.
yes, ma'am.
You were there in the class. This is the traditional way, the universal formula. And this particular thing is the short trick. Yes, Mansi, quickly. Quickly, beta.
Trick, ma'am.
Pardon?
Ma'am, I can't hear you, ma'am.
I can't.
Hear you, ma'am.
Beta, if you cannot hear me, please exit and rejoin, dear. Yes, Riti.
दिखा था वो दिखा मैम
Yes.
मैम मैम आपने अभी जो लास्ट वाली स्लाइड दिखाई थी आप वापस से दिखा दो एक बार
क्यों?
मैम मेरा एक लास्ट वर्ड रह गया
तो आप स्क्रीनशॉट लो, रिति. Yes, Ashri.
मैम इवन
इवन क्या? जल्दी।
मैम इवन नंबर्स में हमको एक नंबर ऐड करना होता है और ऑड में जो नंबर है वही लिखना होता है मैम।
हाँ,
ठीक है।
साक्षी, इसमें पूछने वाली क्या बात है? मैंने यही बात तो आपको बताई अभी। आप चैट बॉक्स छोड़ के ध्यान दोगे तभी शायद आपको समझ में आएगा साक्षी। ओके एवरीवन, so the question says what is the average of first 11 even numbers? So this time you don't have to add and solve. You can solve using the short trick and hope everyone gives me the correct answer. Here you go. Let me see. And this chapter average is very easy, beta, very easy. If you pay attention, it's very easy. Sudeep, Mahazini, and Sanskriti. Very good, beta. First to answer me. Even now, 7 of you have given me the wrong answer. And so many of you have not answered. So many of you. This was the very easy, beta. Okay. See. Lishant, what are you doing? Okay. Now, for each and everything, always to remember that short tricks are for some questions, not for all. Okay. But that universal formula goes in all. For example, if I ask you to find average of first 4 prime numbers. So in this case, what you have to do? You have to find what? You have to find the answer using the traditional way, that is the universal. Okay, let me give you options as well. Okay, here you go. First 4 prime numbers. Average of first 4 prime numbers. And I shall give you the poll. Quickly. Sudeep, Hazit, and Hanshuman. Very good, beta. First 3 to answer me. Very good, dear. 34 of you have answered correctly. I'm not going to take your hand raise, Devansh. You can copy and paste. Okay. You can copy and paste in the chat box. Do that. Yes, Mahit. Yes, Mahit. J Mahit 5904. You're not audible, beta. I have to find what? I have to find average. Average of what? Average of first four prime numbers, right? First four prime numbers. So first four prime numbers are what? 2, 3, 5 and 7. 1 is not the prime number, okay? Don't consider 1. So 1 is neither prime nor odd, not even. 1 is odd, 1 is not prime number. Always do remember. 1 is not the prime number. So the smallest prime number is 2. So I shall start with 2, then 3, then 5, then 7. What are prime numbers? Prime numbers are those numbers which is not divisible by any number other than itself and 1. That means it has only two factors, 1 and itself. So first four prime numbers are 2, 3, 5 and 7. I shall find what? I shall find the average. 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 upon me what? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. So 4. Now 2 plus 3 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. And 10 plus 7 is 17 upon me 4. Divide 17 upon me 4. You will get 4.25. When you divide 17 upon me 4, you will get 4.25. 17 divided 4. 4 times me 16. Remainder 1, right? I shall add 0. 10. 10 divided by 4. So 2 times me 8. I will get 2. Again I will add 1 0. 20. 5 times me 20. So 4.25. 4.25 will be my answer. And it's that easy. Very easy. Please take the screenshot there. Giving you 30 seconds. Not 30 seconds, 20 seconds. And I shall give you one more question. What is the average of first four natural numbers? Here you go. First four natural numbers. And let me see how many of you gave me the correct answer. Sudeep, Sanvi, and Jeevan. Very good, beta. First three to answer me. 23 of you have answered correctly. Okay, let's. Lishant, I'm not going to take your hand raise. Please lower down your hand. I shall not take your hand raise. Yes, Dinesh. Yes, Dinesh.
Teacher, when I'm getting it 2.5.
You are getting 2.5.
Yes, teacher.
Might be the options were wrong in the book. Maybe. Okay, let me check, beta. Let me check. Let me solve this and let me check. Okay, let me see, beta. Might be the options may be wrong. Let me see if the options are wrong or correct. The average of first four natural numbers. What are natural numbers? Natural number starts from 1 and then so on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So first four natural number will be what? 1, 2, 3 and 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Average will be what? Average will be 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 upon me 4. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 upon me 4. It will be what? 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6 and 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 upon me 4. 10 upon me 4. Yes, Dinesh, you were right. Options were wrong, beta. Maybe. Okay. So 10 upon me 4. I think by 4 they forgot to write. You can convert this into what? You can convert this into decimal. So 10 upon 4 will be what? It will be 2.5. When you divide 10 by 4, you will get 2.5. This will be your what? This will be your answer. First four natural number is being asked to you. So natural numbers are what? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now, in order to calculate the average, I shall add all the natural numbers. 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is how much? 10. And upon me, I shall divide 4. Traditional way to do it. Traditional way to do it. But if you are asked to solve it using what? Using the short trick. You know what's the short trick? Average of n natural number. Average of n natural number is equal to n plus 1 by 2. N plus 1 by 2 means what? If four natural number is being asked to you, average of four natural numbers, that means 4 plus 1 upon me 2. So 4 plus 1 is what? 5. Please don't cut this 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4 because we have plus sign here. We have plus sign here. Please don't tell me, ma'am, this 2 and this 4 shall be simplified. No. Okay? This shall not be simplified. So first you will add 4 plus 1 and then you will divide it by what? 2. So 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 by 2 is 2.5. Always do remember that whenever you are being asked average of n natural numbers, first dash natural numbers, your short trick should be n plus 1 upon me 2. That means whatever digit is given to you, you shall add 1 in that and then divide it by 2. Okay? And then divide it by 2. So your answer would be 2.5. If you calculate the traditional way, even in that way, if you calculate using the short trick, then it will be more easy for you. For example, suppose if I give you find average of first 13 natural numbers, what will be your answer? What will be your answer? Tell me quickly. No short trick for prime numbers, dear. Hanshuman, Gahan, and Advik Falala, very good beta. First three to answer me. Natural numbers, right? So average will be what? Simply n plus 1 by 2. N plus 1 by 2. N की value is how much? N की value is 13. Plus 1 upon में 2. 14 upon 2. 13 plus 1 is 14. 2 1 is 2 and 2 sevens are 14. 7 will be your answer. Option C. No need to go for the traditional way if you know the short trick. First, 13 natural numbers is being asked to you. So, n plus 1 upon me 2. N is what? 13. 13 plus 1, that is 14 upon me 2. 14 divided 2, you will get 7. Okay? Yes, Mahit. Mahit, turn on your mic, beta. EN5904. You're not audible, Mahit. Okay. Now, if you got it, I have one question of Sanic School previous year. The average of 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13 is 7, 8, 7.5, 8.5. This is a previous year question. And I shall start a poll for you. There you go. Okay, Dinesh, Anurag, Kehen, very good beta. First three to answer me. Very good, dear. And how shall we add it? Using the universal formula, right? How to find the average? So first I will add all of them. In examination, you need not write this step beta. You can do this thing in question paper as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So divided by 7. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 plus 7 is how much? 25. 25 plus 11 is 36. Oh, I skipped any number. No, 36. And 36 plus 13 is 49. Oh, I was right. 49 divided 7 is 7. That is option A. You just have to add. You just have to add. Okay? Add all the numbers. You will get 49 divided by 7. And in this way, you can quickly calculate your average. Yes, Mansi? Mansi, quickly. Quickly, Mansi. Yes, Gayatri.
Ma'am, do we have a shortcut for this question?
No, beta. For this, we have just the universal formula. Okay. Just add it quickly, and that can act as your shortcut. Yes, Nikumto.
We can also do it this way, right? We will count how many digits are there because all of them are odd and we can just say it's 7.
Yes,
Because
you can use
we just
that.
learned.
You can, yes, yes, Nikumto, you can use that. You can use that. Yes, Dharmik. Akshay Dharmik. Nothing. Mahit, you are not audible, beta. I tried turning on your mic several times here. Okay, see, Mahit, if you are facing any problem, do write in the chat box. I shall read it. Okay, so you have to find the average, right? So this is the universal formula. But in this particular question, there is one loophole that the examiner has given us. What? It is the first seven odd numbers like 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, and 13. If you see to it, this is the first seven odd numbers, right? So we can easily say 7. But this is just the loophole that the examiner is giving us in the examination, right? But if the questions are given like this, before using your brain for the short trick, see the numbers that is it consecutive or not. Consecutive means lagatar. Suppose if I remove 9 from here and add certain another number, or I did not add any number, so that time your trick won't work. That time only this universal formula would work. Okay? Okay, everyone, quickly take the screenshot. And that's it for today. We shall meet in the next class to learn more about average. Okay? Thanks for joining me, everyone. Thank you, everyone. Bye, everyone.